Here are 2 ways that you can start earning passive income with crypto. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into it. Everyone wants to earn passive income and everyone wants to live the lifestyle that passive income provides. Everyone wants to travel the world, drive that fancy car, live in the fancy mansion, have free money to spend on whatever they want. Passive income can definitely provide their lifestyle, but a lot of people are not willing to put in the work, to put in the time, and most importantly, to put in the money. That way they can build up different income streams to live the lifestyle that they truly want to live. In today's video, I will talk about 2 different ways that you can start earning some passive income with crypto. Being completely honest, both of these ways require you to put in some effort, time, and money. But once everything is set up and ready to go, you'll be enjoying some easy passive income with very, very low maintenance. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. And now let's talk about the first way that you can start earning some passive income with crypto. And it is by staking. There's a ton of ways that you can stake coins in order to make some passive income. But guys, stake, in my opinion, is literally the easiest way with crypto to earn some passive income. And it can be done with a ton of different coins. So how does staking work and how can it make you some passive income? Staking is pretty simple. All you have to do is purchase a coin or token that is stakeable. And then for simply holding, you'll be rewarded in that token. And then you can obviously sell those rewards for money. But you can also stack up and grow your position even more. Staking is great simply because it provides a great return and it is super simple to do. Literally takes a couple of clicks to stake and then you'll be on your way to earning some passive income. Staking can be also done with stable coins such as USDC and USDT. This way the money that you invest will be safe and secure and it will not lose value. But every single coin, every single token has a different interest rate. For example, you can stake Cardano and get about 5% APY. Also, you can stake some stable coins such as USDC, USDT and get anywhere between 5% APY all the way up to 10-15% APY. Just depends on how much risk you're willing to take. But there's a ton of different tokens out there where the rewards are even better. I'm talking about 15, 20, 30% APY. Obviously, they come with more risk, but the potential to make some passive income by staking is definitely there. And in my opinion, it is one of the easiest ways to do it. But keep in mind, you are going to need a nice chunk of money if you plan on quitting your job and living off of the income that staking provides. But in my opinion, it is a great long-term strategy, especially if you are just getting started in building up your income streams. One benefit to staking, you can start out with any amount of money. I'm talking about $5, $10, $20 or $50, and you can build up your position over time. The longer you stake, the more money you will accumulate and the more passive income you will make. In my opinion, it is a great way to start earning some passive income, especially if you are just getting started and especially if you are looking for an easy way to build an income stream. And it is a great way to be diversified. Crypto is definitely here to stay and the future looks brighter than ever. So I feel very comfortable having a ton of different positions that I'm staking and earning passive income every single day. Also, a lot of platforms offer staking, such as Trust Wallet, Atomic Wallet, KuCoin Exchange. There's literally a million different places where you can stake and earn passive income with crypto. And now let's talk about the second way that you can start earning some passive income with crypto. And that is by mining it. I used to be a miner. I used to have a ton of GPUs, a ton of mining rigs, mining Ethereum. But now I'm diversifying a little bit. After mining Ethereum for over a year, I can honestly say it is one of the best ways to earn some passive income. I also invest in real estate. I run my own business, but mining is definitely one of the easiest ways to make money. Obviously, it does require money to start up, especially when you are first getting started. You will need to buy GPUs, power supplies, some fans to circulate the air, and obviously the electricity cost. But once everything is set up and ready to go, it is super hands-off. You simply plug it up, you turn on your fans, and you set it and forget it. And every single day, you'll be earning some passive income. But keep in mind, there are a ton of different variables that will directly affect how much money you actually make, such as the price of electricity in your area, what kind of graphic cards you're using, your location, the temperature, literally a ton of other factors. But if you dedicate some time to it, you learn the ropes, you learn how to work these machines, there's definitely a lot of money to be made. But if you are not very technical, but you still want to make some money mining crypto, there are alternatives out there, such as the Helium Miners. These type of miners are pretty much the new generation. They do not consume a lot of electricity and they do not require a lot of technical knowledge. All you have to do is plug it into the wall, plug it up to your internet, and you'll start earning some money. They're very small and simple. You do not have to get these large fans to circulate air. Just get it close to a window and you're ready to go. Personally, I have purchased a couple. Hopefully when they come in, I'll start making videos on them as well. Also guys, there are a ton of new miners coming out every single month. I ended up purchasing 2 of like these demo miners where you plug it into your vehicle and it earns you passive income. So stay tuned for those videos. Crypto mining is not going anywhere. It might change over time, but it is here to stay. And there's a ton of people making life-changing money mining crypto. You can mine a ton of different coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Cardano, Helium. Literally, there's so many coins that you can mine. Obviously, every single one has its pros and cons, but getting into the space, in my opinion, is definitely worth it, especially if you are looking to make good amount of money long term. And it is one of the best ways to make some passive income. Once you learn the ropes and you figure everything out, it is simply set it and forget it. And in my opinion, it is definitely worth it. So those are 2 different ideas that can make you passive income with crypto. Obviously, crypto is a huge space and there's a ton of different ways to make some money. But in my opinion, these 2 are great simply because they provide great long-term potential. The longer you can make passive income, the better. And I believe these 2 will be making people a lot of money for many, many years to come. So if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite way of earning passive income with crypto. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.